If this is the first time you've ever seen me do a video, yes, I do how-to videos. I also do super exciting recipes. Be sure to check out my channel. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe. How to cut a cabbage. We're gonna go over the 3 basic cuts that you are gonna use in your kitchen right now. The first step, you're gonna cut the base off, just straight down. Now go ahead and peel off any of the rough leaves. Usually the first leaf or 2 needs to be peeled off. Peel off this one too. Just like that. So now you have a nice clean head of cabbage. We're gonna cut this directly in half. Now with our half, what we're gonna do is we wanna cut out this root. This root's really chewy. You don't want that in your cuts. So at an angle, you're gonna not push the knife very hard because you don't want to stab your hand on the other side. So just work the knife in a triangular motion like this around the root, and one more time on the bottom you're going to just come in a U shape like that, and it comes right out. So this first cut is going to be like a large dice. You would use this for like corned beef and cabbage. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna take the knife and we're gonna go with the curve, the natural curve of the cabbage all the way through. So we're gonna start with our first cut here, and we're going about 1 inch in diameter here. And now I'm tilting my knife towards you guys because that's the natural curve of the cabbage. And again, on the bottom, you're gonna take this whole piece, turn it, and just come down, and you're gonna slice straight down 1 inch again, all the way through. So now you have these nice dices of cabbage for your corned beef and cabbage. For this next one, we're going to do strips for stir fry. So these are a little bit thicker than our julienne for coleslaw. Cut the cabbage right in half. Set this half to the side. And what we're going to do, start with this flat side, and you're going to come down and about 1/4 inch thick slices straight down all the way through, just like that. And what that'll leave you with is fairly thick ribbons, and that's what you want for stir fry. With our other half of cabbage, we're gonna turn it this way. I'm gonna hold my knife kind of at an angle, and we're gonna cut this in half. Now with this piece, we're gonna kind of take it and push down to make it flat. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make like shreds, julienne cuts, and these are great for coleslaw. So you're gonna come and very finely chop your way all the way through this. And you'll see that we're left with some nice shavings. I'll show you that shave cut one more time. If you have a piece that's a little bit larger, just flip it over and cut the base down to make it flat. And then that way you have a nice flat base, or push it flat. Here we go, one more time. Just gonna come at it and shave it all the way down. And that gives us those nice shavings.